Hi, my name is Mike from Garden Artisans, and today I'm going to put together our Sundial Armillary. One thing that I want to point out is if you're looking at the instruction list and the quantity of parts, you may notice that there are only 6 washers. That's because 2 of them are on the base and 1 of them is on the outer ring. Together, that gives you 9. The hexagon bolts, some of them are also included on the rings. So your first step is going to take the outside ring and you're going to place it where number 1 is. So you'll take one of these washers that's on the base off, leave one on, put the outer ring on, put the washer back in place, and I'm going to put the nut on just to hold it while we speak. Now, it's important that this larger washer goes to the right. That's because when you put the inside ring on, if you put it this way, the Roman numerals will be upside down. So, what you need to do next is fan this out so that the numerals are to the right, and then make each one of these read as 1, 2, and 3. So you'll put number 1 on number 1, and then tighten the nut down. And then put 2 on 2 and 3 on 3. After that, you can attach the arrow. If you take the 2 smaller washers, they're labeled 2 and 6. If you start with the point that's 6, so put that in between both rings. And then you can start the rod. Then take 2, put that in between the rings where number 2 is. And take your remaining washers and bolts and match them up. So this one is 3. So put that on the 3 spot. I'm putting the nuts on the outside because that's how these ones were. This one is 7. Let's match it up with 7 and 7. And you have the 2 large ones left. The one that's slightly smaller is 5, and that goes on top. And then number 4 goes opposite of the numerals. And go around and tighten everything up. And there you go. I did it.